Hi there, this is Naomi C speaking. Today I'll share with you at least five sample answers to the question, tell me something about yourself. So if you are a senior high school graduate or a college undergraduate, this video is dedicated for you. Now before I give you the actual sample answers I prepared, I wanted to share with you that before you state those information, make sure to greet your interviewer first, like hi, miss, and then the name of the interviewer, and then state your name. You can also state your age as well as the address where you're located, but those two information are not really necessary. But if you want to include that, then that's also possible. And then after you include those information, that's when you state this particular sample answers that I'm about to create. But make sure to tweak it according to your experience or to the positive experiences that you had when you were in high school or senior high school or when you were in college that are related to the BPO. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so here is my sample answer number one. And this is dedicated for senior high school graduates. If you are that person, then this is for you. I'll read it for you. You can read it along with me. I'm a senior high school graduate, and during my time in school, I was often chosen to present our group projects or reports. I remember one time our group leader was absent and I had to explain a complicated topic in front of the class. It was nerve wracking at first, but I managed to deliver it clearly. That experience taught me how to stay calm under pressure and communicate effectively, which are skills I know are valuable in a call center job. Now, you can also state what strand are you in. Are you from ABM? Are you from STEM? And stuff like that. And see what I did here? I pointed out your strengths when you were in high school or senior high school na kahit wala ka pang experience, you had this experience wherein you were able to stay calm under pressure, you were able to communicate effectively, and we all know naman na these skills or traits of yours are essential pagdating sa BPO company. So if you have those skills, then pasok ka na sa baga. And take note na yung question na tell me about yourself is like an icebreaker. Kapag ka nasagot mo yon ng tama, then malaki ang chance na pasado ka na sa interview na yon. Pero kapag na-break mo yung ice or hindi mo nasagot ng tama, then there's a possibility na hindi ka na magustuhan ng interviewer kahit sa isang tanong pa lang, 'di ba? So, lasting impression, like first impression last din kasi. So, kapag nakuha mo na yung loob ng interviewer mo sa unang tanong pa lang, then good to go ka na. Then, let's proceed to sample answer number two. So, this is dedicated for undergraduate people out there. So, I'm a college undergraduate. During my last semester, I was the group leader in a major project. They had to submit a marketing proposal, and some members were struggling with their tasks. Instead of getting frustrated, I helped them organize their work and followed up regularly. We ended up getting high grade. That leadership experience taught me how to manage people with respect and keep things organized, and I believe that these traits will make me become a great customer service associate. Again, please make sure to indicate your name first, your age, as well as where you're located. And of course, make sure to greet your interviewer at the same time. So, leadership skills is one of the things na nilulook after talaga sa BPO. And if you have that, then you can definitely use that as an example. Alright, so we're down to sample answer number three. While I don't have formal work experience yet, I was part of the student council when I was in senior high school. We organized several school events, including a campus cleanup drive and a fundraising activity. I handled communication with suppliers and teachers. Through this, I learned how to multitask, deal with different personalities, and stay professional under pressure. I will keep these traits of mine if given the opportunity to work in your company as a customer service representative. So you see that wala ka mang experience but you have these traits na meron sa isang call center agent, which is yung the ability to multitask, to deal with different personalities, and also to perform well under pressure. So, if you can answer it this way, then I'm sure napasok ka na sa banga. Alright, so moving on to the fourth sample answer that I have for you is this. In college, I voluntarily tutor one of my classmates in English. He was struggling with grammar and pronunciation, so I helped him practice during our free time. Eventually, he passed our subject. That experience made me realize how fulfilling it is to help someone learn, which is why I'm excited to be in a customer service job where I can assist people and make a difference. So this sample answer is dedicated for those college undergraduates. If you are someone who loves English and you know someone who doesn't and you're trying to help that person, then this is also a great sample answer to that question. All right, so we're on to the last sample answer. This is it. I may not have BPO experience, but I've had experiences in school where I supported my classmates who were nervous during presentations. I would help them practice and boost their confidence. I believe that same supportive nature can help me connect with customers and provide a positive experience once I joined your company. Again, this sample answer can be used by either a senior high school graduate or a college graduate. And again, make sure to indicate your name. You can also share your age as well as your address. Don't say the entire address pala ha. Just state the city. So if you're here in Quezon City, just say you're in from Quezon City. Don't say the exact address to say the interview viewer doesn't really care. So yeah, that's everything. I hope this helps. By the way, if you're a call center agent or someone who's working from home, I'm pretty sure that you'll be needing a piece of headset. So if you are needing one, I highly recommend the ones that I'm using right now. It's the Jabra Evolve 20 MS USB-A. Based on my personal experience, this is a great tool that you can use whenever you have noisy environment. For example, the neighbors are loud, they're talking too much, the your dogs are barking, your electric fan is so noise, then this particular device is so perfect because your customer or clients on the other line wouldn't be able to hear that kind of noise. So I personally use this. This is a must buy. Make sure to check it out in the product description I have in this video. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.